If you are a startup business owner, you want to start selling your products, your services online, you want to start making use of Facebook, Instagram to sell your product online, then there is a particular type of ad that you must start running right now. There's a particular type of ad that will help you gain more followers, that will help you gain visibility fast, and will help you make sales fast. Watch to the end of this video because I'll be showing you practically how to run these simple ads. And guess what? For this type of ad, you're not spending a lot. In fact, with as low as 2,000 naira daily ad budget, you'll be able to gain lots of followers every single day. You'll be able to gain visibility and you'll be able to make massive sales. Are you ready to scale up your business online right now? If you're ready, I'm ready. Now, before we go into it, if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome. This is Onyi Onwura, and here on this channel I create content on how to grow a sustainable business online. I go in depth with importation, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, different ways of earning sustainable income from the online space. Do well to subscribe and be a part of this family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So we're just gonna dive straight into it. If you want to gain followers on your Instagram page, you want to gain visibility, and you want to make massive sales, especially this ember season, if you're running sales, you want to get massive sales, this is the type of ad you need to run. What I need you to do is access your ad manager through your browser. Now, don't use your app, don't use the ads manager app. Access your ad manager through your browser. So I'm going to be making use of the Chrome browser. This is what it will look like. If you're using your laptop, this is the exact interface that you will see on your laptop. Now I'm using my phone to make everything easy, so that even if you don't have a laptop, all you have is your smartphone, you can still run this ad. So this is my phone right now. Here, once you come to your ads manager like this, all you need to do is click on create. At this point, you should already have funds in your ads account. You should already do what? You should already have funds. You should already have money in your ads account. And if you don't know how to fund your ad account, I already have a separate video about that. I think I posted that video 3 weeks ago. I'm going to leave it down in the description, and also at the end of this video I will leave it for you on the screen, so you go watch it and see the different methods you can use to fund your ads account. Do you understand? So after you must have funded your ad account, you come to this interface, you click on create. Are you seeing my screen right now? You click on create. Once you click on create, you just wait for it to load. It will bring you to this interface, which is where you get to choose your campaign objective. What is the objective of running this ad? Remember, we want to get followers, we want to get visibility, and we want to make sales. Which is the best objective for you to choose here? Go ahead and click on traffic and follow me closely. Click on what? Traffic, not engagement. Click on traffic. Once you click on traffic, you click on continue. Are you following? Click on continue. It will bring you to this interface. Just click on manual traffic setup or manual traffic campaign and click on continue. This is so easy if you follow closely. You're not doing much here. You can just read through, but we're not doing much here. You just click on next. Very good. Now when you come to this part, you can go ahead and name your ad set if you wish to, just to be able to differentiate it from the different ad sets you have. Right now, look under conversion. Pay attention. Look where you see conversion. It says choose where you want to drive traffic to. Choose where you want to do what? Choose where you want to drive traffic to. And there are a lot of places where you can drive traffic to if you're running a traffic campaign. The first one is your website. Now for startup business owners, this is not the best for you because people don't really know much about your business. They can't just trust you to go straight to your website and make purchase. Do you understand me? You're starting up your business online, so choosing website might not be the best conversion place. The second one is app, which is obviously you don't have an app, right? That one is out of it. The next is messaging destination. Do you want to send traffic to your messaging apps like Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp? Again, this might not be the best for you, and some persons might argue this. You know, when you're running traffic conversion and then you're sending people to your messenger, to your DM, your Instagram DM, number one is that the people you're targeting, they are your cold leads. You are a startup business owner. Let's say you have less than 2,000 followers on your Instagram, or even if you have more, even if you have more, this might not be the best option for you. When you're running traffic, you want visibility, you want follows, you want people to follow you. If they go to your DM, will they be able to follow your account? The answer is no. no. The next one we have is Instagram or Facebook. Are you seeing it there? Instagram or Facebook. This is the one I need you to click, because with this particular one you'll be able to get loads of Instagram follows, Facebook follows, and even sales visibility. This is you're using one stone to kill. I don't know how they used to put that adage, but you know what I'm saying. So click on Instagram or Facebook under conversion, right? Then you come to identity. Make sure that your Facebook page is already linked. Now, do you want this ad, right, to be displayed on Instagram as well as Facebook? Do you want it to be on Instagram or Facebook? Personally, I usually leave mine Instagram. If I want to run Facebook ads, I run it separately. So this one, just choose anyone. It doesn't really matter. Do you understand me? So I'm going to uncheck that box on that Facebook page, and I'm going to leave Instagram profile. Do you understand? Now the next is your budget. Your budget. Before you set your budget here, right, I want you to think about this. You are a startup business owner. This ad, you want to get follows, you want to get visibility, you want to get messages, you want people to message you and purchase what you're selling or what you're advertising. What do you think will be the best ad budget to go for? Some persons will tell you 5,000, 10,000. Now let me ask you this question direct. What is your ad budget for your business? This is not something somebody should decide for you. Based on your business capacity, based on the capacity of your business, what do you think you can, cover for marketing? Because this is marketing. This is a form of marketing and advertising. For me, I would suggest you start with 2,000 naira. I would suggest you do what? You start with 2,000 naira. Don't start running ads with high amounts. You will not be able to bring it down again. Start with something low. If you monitor this ad later on and you see that it is working really, really well, you can gradually top up your amount. You can gradually scale it up, topping up the amount. Do you understand? So my advice to a startup, start with 2K. Especially if you're selling products that are not expensive. Say you're selling bags, shoes, kiddies wear. But if you're selling like high ticket products, like you're into real estate, of course 2,000 naira will not work. You can go for as high as 10K. For startup businesses that are selling fashion items, kitchen utensils, 2,000 is not bad. Do you understand? So here you can just change this and start with 2K. Start with what? 2K. The next one is your audience control. Are you seeing it? This is where you pick your audience. Now, if you don't know how to target the right audience, this is where you fall into a very big soup, because if you pick the right campaign objective, which is traffic, and you're not picking the right audience, you will not be seeing results. Let me say it again. If you pick the right campaign objective, but you fail to pick the right audience for your ad, you won't see results. That is why some of you be complaining, oh, I'm running ad, even if you're spending 10,000 naira daily, but you don't have the right audience setup, you will not see conversion, you will not see follows, you will not see likes, you will not see sales at all. So the knowledge of how to pick the right audience for your ads matters a lot. It matters a lot. And now I'm going to give you guys a very simple advice. If you're running ad probably for the first time, or you're a business startup, you are not experienced with running ads, I would advise you to have 3 different audience setup. The first one, which is this ad we are running, we're going to run a broad ad where we target people in Nigeria. Please note, if you know that there are states where you cannot deliver to, go under exclude and exclude those states. Go under exclude and exclude those states. Let's say you cannot deliver to Maiduguri, you cannot deliver to Kano, go under exclude, type in those states to exclude them. But for me, that can deliver anywhere within Nigeria, I'm going to type Nigeria. And because of the type of product I sell bags, I'm going to pick ladies. Now, see what I'm doing? I'm targeting the whole of Nigeria, which is very broad, and I'm picking ladies. For age range, I will leave it 23 to 45, which is also very okay. Now, I will run this ad with that particular audience setup. That is ad 1. I will go and run another ad again, using the same traffic conversion to my Instagram profile, right? Using the same traffic conversion, using the same 2,000 naira daily ad budget. And then when I come to audience for this second ad, listen to me, the audience setup like this, I'm going to pick at least 5 states, 5 key states. I'm going to pick Lagos, I'm going to pick Abuja, Port Harcourt, Benin City, and Kano. These are 5 major states where you get lots of buyers. I'm going to pick these 5 states. Instead of picking the whole of Nigeria, I'm going to narrow it down and pick these 5 states. I'm not going to pick any interest. This is for the second ad setup. I'm not going to pick any interest. I'm going to leave it broad. For age, again, I'll do 23 to 45. I'll run that ad with another video. Do you understand? Your ad content. I'll run that ad. Now we are running 2 ads, right? I will run another ad, which is ad number 3. Listen to me. Ad number 3, the same traffic, sending people to my Instagram profile and all that. When I come to the audience setup now, this is where I will narrow it down very well. I will pick 5 states like the previous one I picked before. For this particular audience setup, I am going to pick interest and behavior. What do I mean by interest? You're going to go in with interest. If you don't know interest, I mean, this is something I need to teach differently. Like the people that are going to buy your bag, or the people that can possibly buy your bag, what's their interest online, what's their behaviors online. I know for interest of fashion, they have fashion items. One of their interests will be fashion accessories, handbags, designer bags. You know, pick all those interests, add it. Their behavior online, they are engaged shoppers, they love shopping online, blah blah. Add all of those. Their parents, their women. Do you understand? Put all those behaviors and run that ad. Now you're running 3 different ads with 3 different audience setup with 2,000 naira each. That is 6,000 naira for 3 of them daily budget. Just monitor that ad for a week, my people. You will be surprised. You will be surprised at the type of conversion that you make. This is something that has worked for me. This is something that I've practicalized. This is something that I can tell you work for sure. I mean, some people will feel, oh, you're just speaking grammar, we still don't understand. Let me tell you guys something. For you to understand how to run ads yourself, trust me, you need somebody to hold you by the hand and teach you how to do it. And this is not something I can come teach you on YouTube in one video. If I'm to teach this on YouTube, it's gonna take me up to 5 hours to teach this step by step. You can see me trying to summarize in just one video that is less than 15 minutes, or I don't know how many minutes this video is already. If I am to teach you like the way I'll teach somebody in primary 1, so that you will understand it in depth, it will take me up to 5 hours. It is for this reason that I have created a special Facebook and Instagram ads mastery course. Now in this course, I have divided everything step by step, and I have compiled a course that will teach you from scratch how to run Instagram and Facebook ads that will convert. This course I'm giving you at a giveaway price for just 25,000 naira. 25,000 naira is what you're paying for this course. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. Send a WhatsApp message if you are interested. Please emphasis on if you are interested in getting the course, video course. I took my time to explain. You know, if you pay for something, you will value it. You will take your time to go through it, ask questions where you don't understand, and master how to run ads for your business. See, this is ember season. People are running ads. People want to sell out. Don't snooze yourself. Don't dull yourself. I mean, make sure you make all that money this season. And what better way than learning how to run ads? That's all I can say. Please learn how to run ads. Send me a WhatsApp message, grab this course, go through it, practice, start running ads that will bring you massive sales, that will get you loads of followers, visibility. Don't miss. Now on the screen you will see a video that will show you how to add funds into your ad account. It is well explained in this video you're seeing on the screen. So I'll see you over there. Bye.